Hey guys, welcome back to a new tutorial video. In this video I will show you how to edit sunset red filter using Lightroom Mobile. There are some examples photo before and after using this filter. So guys, without wasting your time, let's jump to the tutorial. First go to Light. Bring the exposure plus 0.40. Contrast plus 10. Bring the highlights minus 40. Shadows plus 20. Bring the whites 10. Blacks 40. Go to curve and follow the settings. After that, go to Color. Vibrance plus 60. Saturation minus 6. Go to Color Mix. First go to Red color and bring the hue plus 10. Saturation minus 12. Next go to Orange. Hue minus 16. Saturation plus 20. Luminance minus 10. Next go to Yellow. Hue minus 80. Saturation plus 24. Luminance plus 20. Next go to Green. Hue minus 90. Saturation minus 50. Luminance minus 20. Next go Sky Blue. Hue plus 60. Saturation minus 50. Luminance plus 30. Next go to Blue. Hue minus 75. Saturation plus 25. Luminance minus 10. And done. Next go to Effects. Bring the clarity plus 20. Depth plus 10. And done. Now go to Details. Color noise reduction minus 30. And done. Now your pic is ready to upload. Now let's try to copy this preset and pass to another picture. Copy settings and paste it. If you like this preset, you can also download this preset from the description. And thanks for watching this video. Like, share and subscribe iSnap for more photography tutorial. See you next time. Have a great day.